Hello class, welcome to our channel Twins Knowledge Bank. Okay, so today we are going to learn coding. Coding you all must know. We have told you in our last video. In our last video we have used Coder to RD platform, and today we are going to use Coder to RD only. So last time we have made an app in a color changing app, but today we are going to make another app. So let's see what's that. So we will click on create and then I will click on apply. So we are going to make an app, so we'll click on app. Now what we have to do? Yes, so we have 4 steps. We have to follow those steps. Okay, first step is define the purpose, second design the app, third is code the app, and the fourth and last one is run the app. Now what we have to do so we'll define a purpose. So what is our purpose? There will be a register screen in this screen. Here a register will be there and we'll register ourselves, and then that the ID and the password and all will go to the data and we can view the data. Okay, so let's see how to do that. So our second step is design the app. So we'll just click on here design. Okay, so we have to make a register app. So first what will I do? Okay, in this you can also see theme. So there are many themes you can see. Okay, but I want to I can take just classic one because it's a little simple. So what we'll just do, we'll take a text input. We have to just press it and drag it here. Okay, so now we have dragged it here, and this is ID. Its meaning is name. Okay, so I will take its name, text input name. Okay, so now text input. Okay, sorry. So this is text input name. We have given an ID, and in the placeholder I will write enter, because the person who is using this app should know that why this text input is here. So I will write enter your name here. Okay, here I have written enter your name here. So this is my text input ready. Okay, now I have to do 2 more things, that are email and phone number. Okay, email and phone number. Okay, so for that what we'll do, just we'll duplicate this, because on clicking on duplicate it will be just duplicate how many times we want. So I want us to do 2 more times, so I will just click on duplicate 2 times, 1 and just 2. Okay, you can see here this is now here. Okay, so I will put it in order. Now this one I will give the ID as text input. Okay, I should give this email. Okay, and I will write here enter your just a second, email ID here. Okay, so we'll put email ID here, and then the last one is our phone number. So we'll write phone. Oh, sorry. We'll write phone here, and here we'll click just write enter your phone number. Phone number here. Okay, so this all we have done. We have done the text input and we have written the IDs and the name. And now what we have to do, we have to take a button for submitting it. Okay, we can also do something for making it more beautiful. Okay, so for that what we will just do, we'll take this checkbox. Okay, first we'll take a label. Okay, label, and we'll write your gender, because I want to do it for making it interesting. I want to do a gender. Okay, so here I will write your gender. Okay, so this I have done, and I will just do it small and put it in the. Okay, so here we have some checkbox also, but checkbox it will take checkbox you can select many of them, but here radio button we can select just one. So what we'll do, we'll just make them little big and right here in front of this we'll write to male, and then I will write female. So my gender is male. Okay. Okay. So this we have done for making it more interactive. Now we'll take a button and we'll just give it ID to button submit. And now we'll click the text to submit. Okay. So we have done our second step of coding. Now we'll do just code. That's our third step. So today, okay, so let's click on show blocks. In this coder Raji we can do text-based coding also, but that is little difficult. So we'll learn block-based. So now what we have to do? On event, you know? Yes. Okay, I think so. Because in our last video we have learned on event. So on event, when which button? It's button submit. When button submit is clicked, then we have to create a data. How? Okay, let me tell you. So under this UI control, okay, just a second. Sorry. Okay, so I have got it once again. Because sometimes it show error signal, so we have to do that. Okay, so now what we'll just do, we'll take an on event again. When button submitted click, we have to create a data, but how? So that how answer is, you can see UI controls here, and just below that there is a data option. Okay, you can see it, data. So we have to create a data. So how? Here you can see get column start and these are, but we have to take this create record. You can see this. But before taking create record, we have to make a variable. What is variable? Do you know? So here you can see it's variable written. Yes. So we'll take this. So we'll take this one. We'll take this one, var x. Okay. So what is variable? Let me tell you in the paint. Okay. So I will explain you that var is what, it's like this is square. Okay. And inside it, it's written var. Var. It is written? Yes. Var is written, and then there is an option like, you can see here that x is written and then something is like colon here, you know. So that so here var is written and then x is written. So in this, what is happening, we are giving a name to this var. Var means variable. So we are giving a name to our variable. So I will give its name because I have three things. So I have three things, so I will make three variables. First will be name. Okay, for making it, okay, in variables we should write the letters small, not capital. Okay, so here one I have done, and then I will just press the whiteboard and then I will drag it here, and you can see that it is now blue, and I will click on Ctrl C and then V and V. So I have pasted 2 more times. Now after name it's your email ID, so I will write email ID. Email ID. Okay, so we have done. Okay, I have given space here, so this variable does not take space. I will just do a backspace, and you can see I can take a slash. No, I can't take this on because this only takes letters. And then now here So here I will write phone, because phone dot number is not, it will take, so I will just write phone. Okay, so we have done this. Now how it will get that value from this text input? How? So for that we have to take this var x equal to this. Okay, I will put it inside the omniprint, not outside. Okay, so here you can see a semicolon is there. This semicolon is very important. Okay, like in English, there is a full stop in your sentence. I am very happy. If I write, I will put a full stop. But in coding, we can't take a full stop. We have to do a semicolon. Okay, so here I have to do a var. Okay, this I have to explain you little. So in this you can see var, it's written equal var, something equal to something, and then a semicolon. So I will explain you that vars. Okay, here I should put a line. Var something equal, equal to something, and then there is a semicolon like this. So I think you can understand this. What's this? I will tell you. So var means variable, and here we can write okay, so in this var we can, here something is there, and now we'll just take, so it's like here you can write a variable name, like I've made a name, so I will write name here. Okay, just a second. So I will write here name. Just wait 2 minutes. So I will write name here. Okay, so now after writing name, we have to give the value. Like here we have a text input, so we have to take the value from the text input. So we'll just do like this. We'll take, okay, let me explain in the code only. So I will write name, and then to take the value from text input, I will do, so I will just take a get text. Get means, you know, in English, get text of text input, what? Text input name. Okay. Sorry. So here text input name. Okay, just a second. Yes. So text input name will select here. So it means that we are assigning the value, we are assigning some the text which is written in the text input to name. Name is like a box, and we just put apples in that. We just put the values in that, like that. Okay. So now we'll just duplicate this 2 more times. Okay, so here I will write email ID just like I have written here. So I can also copy it. Okay. Okay, so I have done this, and now what I have made this, and then now I have to go to create record. In this my table I have to get a name. So I will name my table as users. Okay, users, and here you can see name and Alice something is written. So this name here means the table, means the column name, and Alice means the value in that column. So I don't want that it should be name like this. I want that it should be capital. Name I have written, and the value we don't want Alice. So we'll just do a backspace to all this, and we'll take this variable, because this variable is getting our values. So we'll just copy it and paste it here. So do you want to check it? Okay, let's check. I will add Shashwat, and then I will click on submit, and then you can see we'll go to data, and just our data will be ready. That's not being ready. Do you know? Yes. So for that we also have to take out this function because it's empty, so nothing is being created. Okay, so we'll just take out this function. Okay, so I think you have not learned text-based coding, but the option I'm showing, this should be done in text-based only. So I will backspace the comma and the space, and then I will try it. Shashwat, and click on submit. The data is ready. See. Okay. So why my name is not coming here? I will just. So here what we have to do. So here you can see that we have written name 2 times. So it's showing like name is already defined. So we'll just type phone here. Okay, so this was our problem. So this is called debugging. So here I have put in the column name and I have put in the email ID as well. So name I will write like this. And now let's see what happens. Do you want to see? Okay, let's see it. I have done name and email, so I will write Gupta. It's not compulsory because I will delete it. Okay, so here you can see it's coming. Name is made 2 times, so that will go automatically. If we'll create a delete this, it will go. Okay, so here you can see it's working. So we'll go to show text, and after this we'll take a comma, then we'll write the column name like phone, and then a column, and then a variable. We have to write the exact variable. So now what will happen? Let's see. So here I have done all this, so I will write Shashwat, and here I will write twins at the rate 123. Okay, so now my phone number I will write 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0. This is not my real phone number. Okay, here you can see this. I am unable to select both of them. I am able to just select this. So now I will click on submit and go on data and just wait 2 minutes. Okay, oh, I have to go to back and then it will work. Okay, here you can see that my name is this, my email ID is this, and my phone number is this. We are not taking this gender because it's for only interaction. So here you can see that it's done, and we'll just rename our project data app. So here we have done data and we have learned little bit of variable as well. So thank you, and if you like our video helpful, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much.